What's the meaning of constitutional monarchy? Constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy.
Constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy. A constitutional monarchy is a form of government in which a monarch serves as the head of state within the parameters of a written or unwritten constitution. In such a system, the monarch's role is largely ceremonial, with real political power vested in an elected body such as a parliament or a cabinet. This type of government provides for a degree of stability and continuity while allowing for representation and democracy. Ultimately, the result of a constitutional monarchy is a functioning government that balances the symbolic and ceremonial duties of a monarch with the practical needs of a modern democratic state.